Doctor, we have a boy and a girl, and then I underwent a vasectomy. Unfortunately, my girl passed away because of cancer, and we need her back in the family for peace of mind. Is it possible to do a gender selection with sperms retrieved from my testis after my vasectomy? Yes, it's very much possible. We can do a fine needle aspiration of sperms from your testis, and then with regular ICSI generate embryos on day 5, do an embryo biopsy on day 5, get the results within 10 days, and in the next cycle, which is a hormonal replacement therapy cycle, we can prepare the endometrium and then transfer the embryo of the selected sex back into the uterus. We have over 70% success rates with PGT-A for family balancing.